Hello YouTube, take a deep breath. I shut my fan off, it's getting kind of muggy in here. We're going to redo this. We wanted to put some bluing on here, but maybe someday we will put gun bluing, because we always thought it'd probably look better than shiny silver. But we need a break from cleaning up our work area. So it's a lazy afternoon. It's not too hot in here. We're going to go to work and sand the handle down, polish this up. If there's a name, I can't see it, and clean it up. So we might show you a few clips, like here's what the wood looks like. But let's just get after it and get it done. How's that sound? Sometimes when I work on stuff, it's better not to film, just to do it peaceful. It's so quiet right now out in my shop. There's no outside noise or anything. All you hear is the fan. So let's just spend a lazy afternoon and do another screwdriver. What do you think? I agree. Let's go for it. Well, this is worth showing. This is a sanding pad, so it's really thick and does not bend very easy. There's a lot of rust on that ferrule right up against that wood. We're getting right up against the edge. It's going to take more time polishing that, but it's worth it. I'm going to get right up against that edge and turn around and do the wood. That's a really bad spot. Here you don't notice if you scratch it up so bad if you're grinding out in here, but that's worth showing. There's a tip there for tip of the day. Be a little aggressive there as long as you're careful. It's not putting really deep scratches in the ferrule, because it'll be polished. So there's your tip of the day. I want to show you my little tool. I heat like welding rod, but you can hammer it on steel. You don't have to heat it. You can take welding rod, old wire coat hangers, stiff wire. You can smash stuff down like this and shape it and use files. I've did it entirely with just a hammer before on a concrete step and sit there on a concrete or a piece of brick and make a scraper. And it's really good. It gets right in there and scrapes that stuff out. This is a lot of work. This paint is like taking off tar. Nasty. So I've got to use really, heavy grit sandpaper, which leaves really a lot of lines and sanding it out. But I'm doing it all by hand. I'm dedicated. Rolling. It's a square screwdriver, but I don't know why it's rolling around. Okay, back to work. Okay, we're done. That come out really good. That's just wire brush and abrasive wheels. The tip we did file was pretty bad. So we didn't really change anything. It just had a lot of gouges and nasty marks on it where it was pried on. So that was filed and then took my different abrasive disc. But had a hard time getting it to take stain. See where it's dark there on the end. But we tried some Danish soil. That did not work. We just went and wiped that out. We just put stain on it and let it set. And we decided not to put no clear coat. As this gets old, we'll keep oiling it. Maybe get a little darker. Let's back off some. Because it's a nice looking wood handle. It doesn't have to be dark. There you go. I'm really pleased with it. I have to thank Magdad 357. This is one of the screwdrivers he sent me. That you could make that gun bluing someday, but it's just brushed and abrasive wheels. Really nice screwdriver. I mean, it's not bad. It's a short, straight screwdriver. So it's not bad. It'd be better for a woodworker than instead of a mechanic. For wood screws. Okay. We had enough. We're out of here.